Didi give us a topic in which we have to read that topic and we have to find 5 difficult words. So everyone have find 5, 2, 3. So they have their own difficult words.
By just reading it or just by looking at it, how do you decide that this word is interesting? So what makes any word interesting to you? For me, Mediterranean is a very interesting word because for quite a long time I could not pronounce it well. I could not spell it well. So it was an interesting word for me to like slowly say it just to learn how it is pronounced. Anyone else would like to tell me about their interesting words?
This was my vision at the start of the year, that I wanted to pass the ownership of learning to my kids. I wanted them to find out the things that they require to learn instead of me giving them the precise things what they need to do or not.
Write your word. Yeah, so I'm interested to know that why was this word interesting to you?
Because I don't know that is season or winds.
So you did not know that was season or winds. Okay, what do you think? Monsoon is a season or they are the winds?
Winds.
Now you know that they are the winds.
Name of winds.
The name of the winds, the monsoon winds. Right? And in the season when the monsoon winds arrive in India, we generally call that period as the monsoonal period. Right? Now you know about it.
For this, I do such practices where I give them the task to find out the work for themselves. So as in like for giving them the specific words to learn to find out the meanings of those words, I give them the entire chapter and to find out the most challenging things that they can find from the chapter for themselves.
I think we find us own challenging word that is nice. One boy come and tell that word to Didi. So she said to him Didi asked to him why this word is challenging to you, because he said because I not understand the meaning of this word. So Didi said okay, you can write that word and tell me what sentence you make from this word. So he tell the sentence also and then he know the meaning also.
Obviously it didn't work at the start, but then yeah, slowly just reinforcing the things again and again, giving them the chance again and again, giving them the making them realize the meaning of why they are doing it again and again makes 90% of my class do this task on time, be on task, and at least they try for the things that they really need to think about.
Some words are so easy when we read the sentences, so we know that words meaning by our own knowledge. Nomads.
Any idea what are nomads?
See, सुबह में ये है
Any idea? I'm interested to see how you are chunking the word to get the meaning, but it's absolutely not that.
Now I can understand every word, but some words are difficult. So I can see that words in dictionary. Didi tell how to use dictionary also. They have not their houses and they make their houses animals.
Make their houses anyway, so they do not have any permanent home to live, because wherever they go and whatever kind of occupation they find, they make their temporary shelters at that place. So basically those Banjara people are the nomads.
Didi give us a difficult word and we have to find difficult word also and meaning also. So that day I enjoy most and I know about what are the new words that I learned and that help in my future. More good is we always learn and write and Didi take competition because we can do more than more, and if we do more than more, so our culture will become good.
So I don't want them to do the things which are being told to them to do, but find out the things which they think they should be doing for themselves.
We have one word wall which have difficult words and which have easy words.
So in that word wall we find some difficult word or new word, so we write out that. Suppose In our class there are 26 students and everyone find many words they can find. So we got like 26, 27, 28 this near to them we find some words and we write on the word wall of that.
When we come in the class, Didi asks that words and which not know that words. So she sent back to the class and know the meaning from dictionary and sending.